This 2013 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 4.3 RFT is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Holiday Rambler is 44 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Sleep 6, Slideout, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, Awning, auxiliary battery, microwave, oven, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, couples coach, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2013 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 4.3 RFT is built on a Roadmaster RR10R chassis and is powered by a MaxxForce 10 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.